Today's video is all about flowers.
The symbolic language of flowers have been around for centuries. Flowers seem to have a way of expressing a sentiment better than words. For example, nothing symbolizes adoration, loyalty, and longevity better than a sunflower. Daisies symbolize innocence and purity. Red roses symbolize passion, desire, and romance. And the lotus is considered to be the most spiritual flower as it symbolizes purity, enlightenment, self-regeneration, and rebirth. The lotus flowers are often used in guided meditations to purify the mind, body, and spirit. Flowers are often used to commemorate special occasions such as weddings, funerals, birthdays, and even double pregnancy announcements. Flowers can be found everywhere. Nothing says "welcome home" better than a beautiful flower garden. Flowers have the ability to instantly brighten the mood of any room. Whether you're at home baking or recovering in a hospital. Flowers make the perfect hair accessory, complete with fragrance. They're naturally medicinal and offer many health benefits. And nothing can beat the calming scent of lavender flowers. Just look at that smile. There's simply no denying the magical energy of flowers. Many lessons can be learned from a flower, such as the importance of trusting the process of life. Everything happens in divine timing, so patience is key. Flowers beautifully demonstrate the belief that when one door closes, another door opens. Don't be afraid to go with the flow of life and trust the process. Change is inevitable. That's how growth happens. Now, you may have an encounter with someone who loves to start drama. Be like a flower and do your best to stay calm, no matter how much they provoke you. Remember, how you react is your karma. Besides, no one ever wins a catfight. It's important to be discerning of who you let in, if you know what I mean. Ask lots of questions. And if polyamory is your thing, you do you. Just understand the risks to avoid catching something you'll regret. Practice safety. And if BDSM is not your thing, say so. There may be times when you feel disoriented and confused. You don't know whether to go left, right, up, or down. Take a deep breath and be calm. You've got this. Beware of stalkers. If you suspect you're being stalked, trust your intuition and take the necessary precautions. Always be aware of your surroundings. If you find yourself in a random place where you're all alone, realize nothing is ever random, and there's a reason you are where you are. Trust the process of life and bloom where you're planted. The outcome may surprise you. If you're lucky enough to find someone who believes in the magic of life the way you do, nurture this connection. You'll experience life on a level you never dreamed possible. Flowers remind us that we're not meant to last forever. So it's important that we live this life to the fullest before it's over. And finally, there's the flower of life. According to symbolsage.com, the flower of life is said to be the basic template for all creation. Many significant geometric forms are found within the flower of life, including other sacred shapes such as the Platonic solids, Metatron's cube, and the Merkaba. The flower of life symbolizes creation and is a reminder that everything is united, originating from the same blueprint. Many believe that the symbol shows the basic design of everything in life, from the atom's configuration to the basis of every life form and thing in existence. The flower of life is a visual representation of the connections between all living things and life itself. The pattern represents that all life stems from one source, as the circles stem from the one center circle. It represents the mathematical and logical order of the natural world, signifying the laws of nature. Wow! Flowers, without a doubt, will forever be known for their profound symbolism. I consider flowers to be the most beautiful visual representation of life itself. Amazing! Well, this is all I have for today. I really enjoyed making this video. Thanks so much for watching. And until we meet again, be safe and make sure to keep paying attention to your karma. It's our greatest teacher.